Hello everyone! Today we are making a simple slip dress and we are going to sew it without serger. First, press bias fusible tape to the upper edge. Baste the darts, making stitching right next to the drawn lines. Press the darts down. The dart's edge should be pressed with light hand. It is recommended to cut 3 mm from the facing's upper edges because this way the facing fits better. Now let's sew together side seams using French seam. First, with round sides together, pin or baste the corresponding pieces. Using a straight stitch, sew a seam at a 4 mm seam allowance. Cut extra threads and press the seam allowance to one side. Fold the garment with the right sides together. Stitch using a 6 mm seam allowance, encasing the raw edge. I made it both for the garment and for the facing. Fold 5 mm of the facing's hem allowance to the wrong side, press, baste and top stitch 2 mm from the folded edge. Trim the excess seam allowance as close to the stitching line as possible. Roll the hem up again to the wrong side, press and baste. Stitch another straight line directly on the top of the first one. Fold straps pieces with right side inside. Pin and baste long sides, stitch on the sewing machine. Turn straps right side out, press. The strap's width should not be more than 1 cm. Pin straps to the front and the back right sides together. Don't forget to check the strap's length. Place the facing and the dress right sides together, align the edges, pin and sew. Trim in the middle of the V line, cut corners near the straps. Understitch the seam allowance to the facing. Place the line of stitching 1–2 mm away from the original seam on the facing's right side. Press the upper edge, slightly rolling the seam towards the facing. Hand stitch the facings and the dress's side seams together. Finish the hem the same way we finished the facing's hem. Your dress is ready!